I win.
5. Casper did a big jump, and I did a small jump. Again. Tennis? I love tennis.
Sure.
I'm really good at tennis. Let's play a game. All I have to do is hit the ball over the net. I think I will win.
No, I will win.
Let's play a match.
Let's love sign. Match. Match. You sign. Match. Good. Match.
Let's play a match. I have no tennis racket. My delivery! Wait here!
It's open.
Action! We could play a game of football. Wow! Look at this.
Let's love sign. Ball. Ball. You sign. Ball. Good. Ball.
No ball.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. A football. Let's go!
Go for Casper! Go for Casper!
Wait. Hello, Aisling.
Joe, are you playing football?
Well, you said to have fun.
Yes, but now we have more deliveries to make.
Fine. Casper, I've had a great day. But I have to go to work. Thank you. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Stop.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say
Dizzy,
Dazzy,
There's my basketball shoes.
Now,
Now,
let's play basketball. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's love sign. Basketball. Basketball. You sign. Basketball. Good. Basketball.
No. I'm really good at basketball too, Elliot. This ball is broken. It's broken. Don't worry. My second delivery. Wait here.
This ball is a shame.
No, this ball is good. Look.
This is the trophy room.
Wow! Look at all these trophies. And this is the Dizzy Deliveries Cup.
Yes.
We're having a match this afternoon.
Can I play?
No.
Why?
It's for athletes.
But I'm...
But first, we have to change our clothes.
Let's love sign. Close. Close. You sign. Close. Good. Close.
Please, can I play in the match?
No. But we do need a referee.
Thank you. Now, I want a good, clean match. That's 1 point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. One point for the blue team. And another point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. Blow it, blow it. It's a draw, and the next team to score wins. Elliot passes it to his brother.
It's Elliot's team that's gonna lift the trophy today.
Well done. Your team won the Dizzy Deliveries Cup. Now it's time to go. Bye.
Thanks, Joe.
Bye-bye, Joe.
Bye, Joe.
Evan is a great painter. But Sonny is really good.
What did you say? Joe, do you want to go skating?
Let's love sign. Go. Go. You sign. Go. Good. Go.
Do you want to go skating?
Yes, I have a board.
You have no trucks.
No trucks for the wheels on the skateboard.
Truck, my second delivery. Wait here. Trucks.
I don't think they're the right trucks, Joe. I think they're the trucks you need, man.
Trucks.
Yes, Joe. Same as these ones. Oh, man.
Evan put the trucks and wheels on my skateboard, and now I'm ready to skate.
All right there, Joe.
I think I need a drink.
Well, I think there's a cafe over there. I don't think there's any gas for the fizz.
Gas? My third delivery! Wait here! Run!
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, look, here he comes.
Gas!
I can go.
Now, can we have a fizzy drink?
Yeah.
I'm sure we can, yeah.
Yeah.
Drink, yeah.
Oh, it's time for me to go. I've had a great day. Bye. Okay, let's do some sky yoga.
No, Joe, not that type of parachute.
Aw. Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
In the parachute. Ready? Okay, ready to breathe, everybody. We bring it up to the sky. And down. Where's Anna? Where's Anna? Oh, peekaboo! Joe. Joe, it's okay. It's okay, Joe. Sit down and relax.
Let's love sign. Relax. Relax. You sign. Relax. Good. Relax.
Hello, Aoife. Hello, Elizabeth. Everybody come to the front of your mat.
A mat? My second delivery. Oh, wait, here. Oh.
Darsha and Duna. Doors closing. Darsha and Duna.
A mat.
Joe, that's a doormat. It's okay, Joe. You can use my mat. I'll find another one.
Thank you. Okay, let's do the dog. Let's do the frog.
Now, let's start again. Okay, let's get on our surfboard. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, and jump. Surf on our mats. Oh, here comes a big wave. Whoa! Let's on our bellies and swim. Come on, Joe. Let's swim, 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 swim. Are we ready to jump up again? Oh my goodness. One more wave. Ready? My goodness. Oh, poor Joe. Let's sit up. Let's make it easier for Joe. Poor Joe's tired. It's time to lie down.
Let's love sign. Lie down. Lie down. You sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Wake up, little yogis. Yoga class is over. Joe! What are we gonna do? Will we wake him up? Ready? Listen. Now class is finished. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. It's time for me to go. Bye.
Bye. That's it, Anna.